Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing a simple, delicious and easy to prepare recipe, Goan sweet Alsande. For this recipe I am using one small dessert bowl of Alsande. So let's begin with the recipe. Soak one small dessert bowl of Alsande overnight in water. In the morning throw the water out and wash 3 to 4 times with plain water. Then put the Alsande in a pressure cooker. Add water until the level of the water reaches above the Alsande. Now add little salt. Stir it well using a spoon. Cover the pressure cooker with the lid. Place the pressure cooker on medium flame and cook until 3 whistles come. Then switch off the flame. Once the pressure cooker cools down completely, then remove the lid. The Alsande is cooked well. Now place a strainer on a bowl and transfer the Alsande from the pressure cooker. Now keep the Alsande aside. Place a pan on medium flame, add one small piece of palm jaggery chopped, one small dessert bowl of grated coconut, mix well. You can add more chopped palm jaggery if required. Now the jaggery has started melting. Add salt as per your taste. Add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix well. Once the jaggery has melted and the mixture looks like this, switch off the flame. Now we need to transfer the Alsande into a bowl. Now transfer the mixture from the pan. Mix it well. By the way, if you like my videos then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Sweet Alsande is now ready. It can be had at tea time. Thanks for watching.